for, oh, I don't agree with this, but how do I tell him? Or, you know, in that sense, there was no awkwardness. There was a certain honesty, a certain basic implicit trust. So that really helped.
Thank you so much for such a beautiful answer. Tillotama Shum, can you answer the same? Come on. How was your experience while working?
Great. Yeah. I mean, I would say the same as Coco. I mean, we are friends, and I get to play a copycat, which is great. So I just had to follow the cue, and you know, from friends, you know. So it was lovely.
Okay. And what about you, Gulshan?
Joydeep said that I'd be playing the main role. So I said, immediately I said yes. Yeah. So he said, are you free? I said, I'm free. Yeah. Like, okay, will you do the main role in my film? I said, yeah, sure. So that's how he. Yeah, but but honestly, to be truthful, he said that Konkona and Tilottama are in the movie, and I've been a huge admirer of their work, and in particular Tilottama. I've really tried to work with her before on other occasions, but unfortunately none of those really worked out. So I saw it as an opportunity for me to sort of work with an actor who I like and admire. So it was a very small thing, but I really had a good time working with her, and she's a fabulous actress. I have tremendous amount of respect for her, and I'm so happy to have done the same with you.
That was really a wonderful answer. Sir, how was your experience working with all these talented actors?
So they're all friends, and actually the story sort of took shape on an evening when Tilottama and I were sitting and chatting, and we've always wanted to work with each other. And in fact, Konkona and I had done a play 14 years ago, Girish Karnad's Haivadan in college, and after that we haven't worked together. So working with her after 14 years was pretty much the same experience in that sense. And you know, she's done so many movies, and she's, you know, been recognized and acknowledged across various platforms. But even after that, when we were working together, when we were doing the readings and all of that, it was so exciting, and the nervousness was still the same. It felt like we were back in college, and it was great fun. And with Tilottama and Gulshan, of course. And the great thing is that, you know, we're all friends, and you rarely come across that kind of an energy, that kind of a sort of, you know, atmosphere where we can tell each other, like Konkona said, honestly what we feel about each other. And I think that has translated very well on screen.
Oh, that's really nice. Thank you so much, all of you, for the
I don't know actually because I haven't seen the film. I came a little bit late. So I'd really like to, sorry, I'm giving you the honest answer. So I think it's an interesting story between the two women and the kind of relationships and how you assume people to be a certain way. And how you get caught up with, aspirations of trying to be somebody else and all that. So there are lots of these interesting layers in this. I mean, there is a sort of a shocking twist in the end. So I had a very small part to play in it, which I really thoroughly enjoyed because I got to work with Tilottama. And I've been, ever since her first movie came out, I think Monsoon Wedding. I saw you first in Monsoon Wedding. I thought she was phenomenal. And once I got to know her, I was really happy that she's my friend. And I really tried to work with her. But so this was a nice, really sweet little opportunity for me to do something really nice. Chota sa kuch. So I'm happy. Hopefully we'll get to do a full-fledged film someday. That would be nice.
we created the cause for it for this one. Hopefully.
We created the cause for it.
Yeah, I think the seed is sown because Gulshan's a very, very exciting, I think has a really exciting presence which lends itself in various parts that he's played with just great versatility. So I was really kicked that I got to work with him. And in a way, he is the meeting with him in the film is in the climax of the film and something that my character is eagerly waiting for. And Konkana's character is also very invested in how this meeting plays out. So Gulu is actually being very humble, but he is very keen.
I practice my humility a lot.
Yeah, he does. He did.
Right. If we talk about your role, it's quite simple. So, brief about your role in the role.
I think life is simple, yeah, and the character is someone. I relate to her in her desire to, for a few moments, to be someone else. And I think while we all may have varying degrees of how we feel about ourselves, and there are days you feel good about who you are, and there are days you feel like, who is this person? And in those days, I think it's very normal for us to to have felt, what would it be like to be someone else for a day, maybe for a few hours, and that aspiration to be something else, someone else, somewhere else. I think that's something that I could relate to. And it was great fun that the someone else that I was trying to be was played by Konkana, who's a dear friend. And so it was great to pick up mannerisms and characteristics and tics which I could, emulate.
नहीं मुझे बिल्कुल पता था कि ये छोटा शॉर्ट एंड स्वीट ही होने वाला है और बस ये मौका हाथ से जाने नहीं देना चाह रहा था मैं कि अगर कोंकणा के साथ भी एक सीन मिल जाता तो अच्छा रहता बट कहानी ऐसी नहीं है तो खैर किसी और टाइम कर लेंगे बट मैं बैंगलोर शहर से हूँ वहाँ पे तो टेकी मतलब सारे टेक्नोलॉजी पार्क सब वहाँ पे है तो टू प्ले अ टेकी फ्रॉम बैंगलोर वाज लाइक आई थिंक माई पेरेंट्स विल बी रियली हैप्पी चलो तो कहीं तो कुछ इंजीनियर बनना मेरा बेटा at least on screen. So, but I knew it was going to be a short role, and I thoroughly enjoyed it, and I have no hassles doing such things, as long as I'm enjoying them. So.
अगर हम आपसे बात करें तो कोई रोल प्ले करते हैं डिफिकल्टी फेस हुई या फिर एकदम सिंपल रोल प्ले करना हाउ डिफिकल्ट और हाउ इजी इट इज फॉर यू
I think the difficulty is always in finding the sur of the character, because it's not about how simple or what she's saying, or it's about finding. And for me, I knew that there was something inherent in this woman that is comedic, but it's not about being funny. It's about just being in the moment so honestly that something of the child in her expresses itself. And so for me, it was really exciting because I never get cast for light-hearted, fun roles. I get cast for serious, intense, like people are dying, I'm being raped, killed, those kind of parts. So for me, this was like taking refuge in playing a character with lighter notes, with a sense of celebration about life, wanting to risk, sense of adventure, and crossing the line, transgressing, going and meeting, this amazing man, and so there was a sense of romance which I don't usually get to explore. So the difficulty was in thinking how I would do that, being who I am, But once we started, and in our rehearsals, I found something in our walk actually, and then everything. What's next is Anup Singh's next film, Mantra, where I have a small part and which is hopefully something that's going to push me further. I'm workshopping with Anup right now for that. And I'm currently part of Rajat Kapoor's workshop where he's workshopping Macbeth. So again, first half of the day and the second half of the day is really throwing myself into scenarios that I've never put myself in. So I think Nayanthara's Necklace and everything that's come after that this year in terms of work has been really about pushing myself to not take myself seriously. And I think it's reflecting in the kind of work that I'm getting, which are thankfully slightly in the comedic, and celebratory zone. So I'm very, how that change happens, right? From you keep getting a certain kind of,
it's very refreshing.
typecast. So suddenly you're put in a
It's a
situation
sigh of relief,
where,
like, oh, something
that
different.
I don't have to be intense. I just have to be relaxed and joyful in this. So, yeah, that's
Super.
like,
Oh, I'm currently filming this film called Cabaret with me and Richa in it. It's a new director, Kaustav Neogi. It's being produced by Pooja Bhatt and T-Series and Waves. So I'm in between schedules. Today I had a day off, so I came here to be with them. So, and another film called Love Affair with Soni Razdan. So these are the two that I have on hand right now that I can talk about.
I also wanted to say that, Gulshan is an extremely talented actor and he's very secure about who he is, which is why this whole question about it's a small role and have you thought about it, and I feel when you're really sure of who you are, I don't think you get affected by these things. I really admire that about him. I think it's a really important thing to have.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Cheers,
you.
cheers. Okay.
Well, it's a film about the friendship between two characters. Konkona is playing Nayanthara and Tilottama is playing Alka. It's a 20-minute short film about their friendship, and Gulshan Devaiya has a special appearance in the film. And I don't want to give away too much more than this because I want you to watch the film.
Yeah. It was, so interesting playing friends with somebody who you're already friends with, but a completely different, the nature of this friendship is completely different. And even for me, the part that I played was so different from what I am in real life that I was quite out of my comfort zone. But the quality of that friendship had some very interesting layers to it, of people, not being necessarily comfortable with their own skin, how much of friendship is actually, performative, and what you get out of role playing. These are very interesting things which came up, when we were shooting, rehearsing, etc.
So when did you start thinking that, to make such kind of film, a short film, as an anthology?
With the idea for this film, in 2012, I read a news article, and the ideas was sort of brewing in my head. And then I sort of, wrote it with a friend, Ankur Khanna and Aparna Singh. And Tilottama and I also sort of discussed the idea, and we shot it last year. And now it's here, yeah. So it's a 20-minute film, but it's been a journey making it. It's been a bit of a long journey making it.
If I have one dinner that, what's your first reaction that when producer told you that, I'm casting for the short film?
I was like, yeah, let's do it. When? Come on, it'll be fun. We've done plays together in the past. We've known each other actually from, since 1998. We've known each other.
Yeah.
So, and we anyway are friends. Anyway, we talk and discuss things and hang and laugh and etc.
And it's very rare that you get to work with friends who
Yeah.
you can sort of, just even the work atmosphere on set is like a party. So it was, and I think it's very important to have fun making whatever you're making, whether it's a feature film or a short film or whatever. So I think we lucked out in that sense.
Yeah, and
you know?
also it's nice to work with people who you can, have some kind of camaraderie with, who you basically trust, who are decent people, who are not gonna dupe you, or if you have some reservations, you can discuss it. So it makes for a more kind of convivial set atmosphere.
If you talk about your upcoming projects, so there's something more.
There's a film called Lipstick Wali Sapne, directed by Alankrita Srivastav, which is a Prakash Jha production. It's it's about 4 women in Bhopal whose lives intersect. So I play a traditional Muslim lady who has kind of a secret life, which is interesting. And the other film is a film called Akira, which is Sonakshi Sinha, Mr. Murugadoss directing that film. Sorry?
When is it releasing?
I don't know exactly, but I'm sure you'll find out.